Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have these peppermint seeds. I'll tell you my favorite thing about them in just a second, but first something is you need to know, because these seeds are amazing. It comes with a whole bunch of these in each package and like 2,370 seeds. They're really, really small though, guys, and you got to take care on how you germinate them and sprout them, because they do need a little tiny bit of sun. And if you don't know about that, you might go and bury them like this for example tells you to bury them like 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch deep. I don't know if I'd follow that, you know, maybe do that with some of them, but I would, in my recommendation and in my experience, it's better to bury these very, very lightly so they get some sun exposure so that they will sprout better. Do a little bit of both just to make sure. But once these sprout, they grow very fast. They will do a great job. I recommend keeping these in a pot. I wouldn't throw these into your garden because peppermint spreads like crazy, and you may or may not want that. If you want it all over your garden everywhere, go for it. But I would recommend keeping these in pots otherwise, because they will grow so fast, and within 3 weeks you'll have like a whole entire garden of peppermint everywhere. These things smell amazing, they taste amazing. As you can see from my garden right here, these all grew and they are doing great. These seeds just did a great job. These plants are amazing. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.